All right, hey guys. Sorry that I'm late. Our staff meeting went a little longer than expected, so yeah, I know it's 11:12 right now, so that's my fault. I see some in your comments. You guys are all saying hi to each other, which is awesome. Remember, if you have questions, let me know. That's the reason for this video, to help you with any questions you may have um, on the lessons for week 2.
Wyatt Smith, would you please dial extension 6100? Wyatt, dial extension 6100.
Sorry, that was an announcement. Mr. Smith's not even in the building, so I don't even know how he's gonna get that message, but missed that sound. Yeah, it's I don't think the bell tones go off anymore. It's just more for announcements now for that bell tone than anything else. Number 11, page what lesson is that, Chloe? I don't have the page numbers. I just have the activity sheets. Oh. Is it yeah, 62. So it's supposed to be, and Dory contacted me on this as well. It's supposed to be this. It's supposed to be an equal sign. Oop, my head's in the way. It's supposed to be an equal sign, not a subtracting sign. If that helps you. So like what fraction 7 and okay, so you got it. Okay. Yeah, Dory commented on that as well. So that's good that you guys saw that. Yeah, I don't know what happened on the sheet. It's just, and on my activity sheet too, it's just a subtracting sign. Just hold on a second. I got a phone call. Hello? I do. Okay. Okay. I can bring it down. Bye. Sorry about that. Okay, sorry. That phone call, I had to call Miss Matson and all that. So trying to multitask here. I have no idea what's for lunch today. No idea. The bottom one. That one, yeah. Yeah, because she left her band sheet in there. Yeah, distractions. Yeah, Caden, that's exactly right. A lot of distractions going on. Yeah, it's hats on day again today. Percy's in his cage. If you guys looked in your YouTube videos this week, Percy made a guest appearance. So just have you guys see him a little bit. I don't know how much you were able to see him, but I'll show him towards the end of the video when we're all done answering questions. Remember, if you guys yet have any questions on any problems so far in your lessons, comment below what number and I can help you walk through it step by step. Barb is doing more of the fattening up than I am. So we had to clip his toenails late last week. So question 4, lesson 58, Chris or Kiera. The store sells paint in quart cans, gallon cans, and 5-gallon cans. The price per quart is lower with larger cans. Hosni needs 8 quarts of paint. What containers of paint should he buy? The price per quart is lower. Okay, so you need to figure out how many quarts are in a gallon first, and you have to figure out what would be a cheaper 8-quart cans or the gallon can or the 5-gallon can. Kiera, if that answers your question, it kind of gives you the insight on what you need to do for that question. Raleigh, hi. Nice to hear from you. Gabri, I have no idea if we'll go back to school. We're going just by week with everyone else to see if we'll go back to school or not. But there'll be an announcement for next week, today or tomorrow, if we're going to be in school. IXL, you do not have to get to 100. You just have to get to 80. I'll tell Barb thanks when I see her next. Chloe, number 2, you do not have to explain. No. Question on lesson 5. Oh, what question? This must be Dominic. What question? All of them. So you on 1 through 9, you have to write each percent as a fraction in simplest form. Well, remember, a percent is always per 100, so it's always over 100. So the first one on number 1, it's 30 over 100, and then you have to write it in simplest form. So what goes with both 30 and 100? 10 does. So you can go divide each by 10. You get 3/10. And that's what you do entirely on numbers 1 through 9, and then 10 through 15. When you write percents as a decimal, so number 10 is 19%. When you change a percent to a decimal, you just divide by 100. So to do that, you can go like this, or when you divide, you have the decimal here. You make the number smaller, so then you move the decimal to the left 2 places. 1, 2, decimal goes there. So your answer would be 1900ths. If that answers they gave you a couple examples. In the video, the YouTube video should help you with that as well, Dominic. You do not have to explain no on any of them. I just want to make sure you guys know what you're doing for the most part. Luke, nice to see you. Thanks for tuning in. The IXL, I don't have a sheet in front of me. You have 2 days to do the IXLs. I scheduled it 2 days for the IXLs, so you don't have to do it all in 1 day. No. Oh, Dominic, you have a question on. Oh, that's the true and false. So, you just circle if the question is true or false, and then whatever letters by it, then you put that'll be part of your answer. You have to unscramble the letters on that. Raleigh, I miss you too, bud. Dory, you do not have to explain questions that say explain. Chloe, I don't know if you need to know how to change a fraction into a percent. Caden, yes, I'd rather have you do IXL than the puzzle and brain tease or the puzzles, twisters, and teasers. I'd rather have you do IXL than do those. The puzzles, twisters, and teasers. That's more for if you get have extra time and if you just want to work on it. But for the most part, I want you to focus on the lesson B side and IXL. Number 11, lesson 62. Yeah, so this is Jesselyn, this is what your assignment doesn't have this equal sign. It got cut off during printing. So it should be an equal sign. So it's 8 equals 7 blank over 6. So you have to find out what numerator goes into the box to equal 8. Not letting her type anything. Okay. I'm not sure why that is. Have Ava, if you can, just close out of the stream and then try and log back in. See if that works. Caden, the IXL is on the cover sheet or direction sheet that I sent out with that mass email. It has the standards and what you need to get to. I think all 4th, 5th, and 6th have to do the IXLs. Every group has IXL. Morgan, yes, you do have to do IXL. But you just need to get to smart score of 80. Lily, hi. Thank you for the letter, Lily. That was really nice. And the cupcake and cookies that you dropped off in my house. That was real nice. Sorry I wasn't home to get them right away, but thank you for dropping those off. That was real nice of you. So I appreciate that. Remember, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. I'll hopefully answer them to the best of my ability over this stream. Okay, Chloe, don't have any questions. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for tuning in. Fifth grade, you should have IXL on there. Yep, you do have IXL. Kellen, yes, if you don't have a question, thank you for checking in. I appreciate it. And if you don't have any questions, you can head out. But I appreciate you checking in. All right, Ella, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Thanks for checking in. Riley, thanks for liking the video. Appreciate it. Ava, I don't know. I don't know what's going on over there with the comments. I don't think it's on my end. It must be something with your YouTube. All right, bye, Dorian. Morgan, thanks for tuning in. Thanks, Kellen. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Caden, thanks for tuning in. Carson, you have to do standards. Well, so today would be yesterday and Monday should have been AA.4 through AA.6. And then today and Thursday is B8 and C8. And that's for 6th grade. Raleigh, we'll see about Zoom. I'm still talking with Miss Matson and Mr. Smith about it, trying to get more info about it, how to set it up and all that. I know it's pretty easy, but if anything, we'll probably just do 4th, 5th, just a 4th grade Zoom, 5th grade Zoom, 6th grade Zoom, but I'll let you guys know if we do that or not. Yeah, so I wonder what it was, Ava. I don't know if what was on your computer or what, but glad it's working now. Again, if you have any questions on your assignments, don't be afraid to ask. Hopefully, I can answer them for you guys. For assignments from now on, since now we're just doing online stuff, just take a picture of your assignment to hand it in. You don't have to worry about coming to school at all. You just have to take a picture, email it to me, and then that's all you have to do. So, pretty easy stuff. All right, bye, Gabby. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. Lily, we'll see about Zoom. Like I said, I'm getting trying to get acquainted with it with Miss Matson, and Mr. Smith. So, the reason why I have subscribers is because for the lessons. So maybe Ava, you and Gabriel have to do math lessons on your channel. That's what you have to do apparently. Raleigh, thanks. I hope I don't go on the roof either. Or if I am on the roof, at least hopefully it's a nice day out. Yeah, if we do the Zoom, Greta, I'm fine with you showing your cats. Gabri, IXLs that 5th grade does is, that's 6th grade. Sorry, Carson, that's 6th. This is 5th grade. These IXLs, A8.4 through A8.6, and then B8 and C8. So Gabri, this is for 5th grade. Carson, if you're still here, 6th grade, you have to do S1, S2, S1 through S3, and that's it. So 6th grade, you only have 3 of them. All right, bye, Raleigh. Thanks for checking in. Okay, bye, Gabri, for the 2nd time. Probably going to be the 3rd time. Awesome, Greta. Good thing that you guys got it done. Kiera, 4th grade IXL is 4th grade is D16, and then day 3 is three of them. You have B10, C8, and D22. That's for fourth grade. Sorry for my head's in the way. All right, bye, Ava. Thanks for checking in. Okay, so Carson, do you see that the sixth grade is just S1 through S.3? Or if it's Gabe that's tuning in, make sure you tell your brother that, please. Oh, Lily, I appreciate you not wanting me to go on the roof. I wouldn't mind going on the roof. I mean, it'd be pretty nice view up there, but if it's cold out, it might get a little chilly. All right, Carson and Gabe, bye. Thanks for checking in. Hopefully, you guys got that. Carson, you got that message before you left. If you guys hold on a second, I'll go grab Percy for you since we're halfway through the video. All right, here he is. Still hanging in there, missing you guys. Again, if you guys have questions, don't be afraid to ask, but screenshotting it. Here, put him closer to the camera. Percy, what do you see? Looking at yourself in the screen? Hopefully that'll be your screensaver now, Greta. Sorry if the video stopped. I won't put Percy on the roof. No, he will not go on the roof. He'll stay in his cage for sure. He's moving around a lot. I'm trying to keep control of him. I think he's looking at himself, wondering, like what Lily, what you said. He's like, dang, he looks good. Oh, a little squeak in there. He misses you guys. Cuteness overload. He is sad. He misses you guys. Wish you guys were here. Every time I turn on that light, I think he expects you guys to come all through that door, and unfortunately, you guys can't come here. Apparently, or unfortunately, wish you guys could. Wish you guys could be here. I'm gonna be covered in Percy hair after this. That's for sure. Holy buckets! Yeah, I got a lot on me. Gonna have to get a lint roller. Hey Emma, nice of you to tune in. Tune in. If you have any questions on your assignment, let me know. I didn't do anything to him, or he didn't do anything to me. He's just sad that you guys aren't here. Kind of like blends into my beard a little bit. It's kind of like the same color. How have you guys been liking the YouTube lessons? Have they been good? Have they helped you out a little bit when you've watched them? Let me know. Fourth grade is gonna have fourth grade is going to they have a challenge for next week. They have to comment on it on one of their videos, but Emma, you should be done. You should be done with the lesson 7.5, and you should be done, or you should have started your IXLs S.1 through S.3 at least. Remember, you just need to get to 80 on your SMART score. So you should be done with lesson 7.5. If you want to, you can do the puzzle and teaser. You don't have to, though. Okay. I'm glad you guys say yes, because I think what I'm gonna do like next year, I'm going to continue videotaping and putting them on YouTube, and then like during uh class, I might like instead of like you guys watch or do something different. We'll see. But like if you're gone or if you're at home and you forgot how to do something, you can look it on YouTube to help you. But I'm glad you guys like it. It's really easy for me to do, so um, that's nice. But Bristol, thanks for tuning in. Sorry, holding Percy down too far. Lesson 7.5 should just be uh, this activity sheet, but you don't have to print it off. It's the percent one. Looks like this. And then the back is this, or you don't have to do this side, but this side for sure. Um, Emma, you have. I'd like you to do. Emma. Hopefully that answered your question about uh, what 7.5 was. Sorry, Percy's still here. I'm holding him down a little bit. My arms are getting tired from holding him. It's not a fat joke. Not a fat joke. All right, I'm gonna put Percy back into his cage because he's starting to bite my finger. So everybody say bye to Percy. Bye, Percy. Emma, you didn't get that activity sheet? Are you sure? It should have been. If you didn't, just look through it again. Um, and if you didn't get it, I can resend it to you. Just look through it again to make sure that you don't have it. And sometimes you might have to scroll to the right on the form. If you click on one activity, it'll come on the bottom. You might have to or scroll over because sixth grade, you guys had like 13 sheets that I sent out to you guys. So, and if not, Emma, I can resend it to you. Not a problem. Uh, did you look in that email, Emma, that I sent out on Sunday? Because what have you completed so far? Archery on the Wii. I didn't know we had archery, Greta. That's pretty cool. Watch the video and I'm like, what do I do? So okay, Emma, just look at the that email and let me know if you have it or not. You should. Everyone should have gotten it. Greta, what kind of computer are you getting? Is it a Mac or what kind of, or a Google Chromebook, or what kind of computer is it? A Windows? For lesson 59, number 1. No, you do not have to make a table. Lily. Chromebook. I like Chromes. They're cool. That's what I had when I did my student teaching in Thompson. That's what they all had was Chromebooks, and they're good. You just need, yes, I will write that down, Emma, and after the video, I'll send you lesson 5. Actually gonna send it right now so I don't forget. Gotta look everything up though. So let's go here. Lesson 5. I didn't want to do that. Sorry if you guys are commenting. Oh, whoops. Okay, Emma, I just sent that to you over email. Sorry, those of you who are on chat, I was trying to get that done for Emma as soon as I could. So that should be on your way, Emma. Hopefully, you get it now. So. Okay, awesome. Glad you got it, Emma. And if you need anything, if that's for anybody, if anybody needs lessons again, don't be afraid to email me. A lot of it got confused or lost in translation with email. So this next week, I think I'm gonna split up the email groups a little bit more, so we don't have fifth and sixth grade all in one, because that could be confusing. Cami, I am going live on Friday. Yep, from 11 to noon, and that'll be every week. I'll be going live for right now, 11 to noon. And if it changes, I'll let you guys know right away. But for right now, 11 to noon, Wednesdays and Fridays. Yeah, make sure you guys take care of yourselves. That's the biggest thing. Try and avoid large groups if you can. Just stay healthy, because the longer that we're not focusing on social distancing and not listening to the proper ways to handle this, the longer this will take. So just take care of yourselves. That's the biggest thing. But since I'm not seeing any more questions on you guys, I'm going to stop the live stream. I'll be here for the next 1 minute. If you have questions, let me know. But otherwise, you guys can log out. And again, I'll be logged back in on Friday, going live from 11 to noon. So if there's not any more questions, you guys can head out. I'll stay here for the next 30 seconds if there are any. But otherwise, I'll see you guys hopefully on Friday. All right. Peace out. Bye, Bristol. All right. That's the time up. All right. I'll see you guys hopefully on Friday. Otherwise, if you have questions, let me know. Have a good rest of your day and see you on Friday.